The world is made up of vast landscapes, flowing streams, and man-made infrastructure. Having all these elements come together in harmony is how our world works. In this travel, I find myself in the river valley of the Northeast Americas. It's morning time in the temperate forest. The seasonal birds are out searching for their next meal. Here we see the northeastern blackfinch. Native to the temperate forest, the blackfinch stays here all year round. The finch collects food from the trees and large bushes and is rarely seen on the ground because of their predator, the gray mountain fox. Another common bird is the American robin. The robin spends the spring and summer in the northeast and then migrates south for the winter. The American robin is one of the most skilled hunters on the ground, collecting over 20 insects in a few short hours. Much like the Antarctic penguin, the American robin settles with a mate for life in parenting, hunting, and nest building. Last we see here is the Nova Scotian wild turkey. They migrate from the island in Canada to the temperate river valley in search of a mate and safety from the cold Canadian winter. Commonly, the wild turkeys travel in families and search for food together. The biggest of the rivers in the Northeast is the Susquehanna River, and this is the east tributary which feeds into the Chesapeake Bay at its end. Fresh water is the water of life. Here are some native trout eggs laid here in early March and will hatch by the end of May. Only about half will actually survive the incubation period. Due to many predators in and out of the river, the fish have an uphill battle. One of the most pesky predators is the great American goose. The goose diet consists mainly of fish eggs, minnows, and various river plants. The goose isn't the only predator, because this river is a popular fishing destination as well. The fishing in this river controls the native trout population. As humans and animals alike, we both need a stable living habitat, and it's up to us together to preserve and protect our vital water source. Here in the temperate forests of the Northeast, a seemingly quiet place, but inside is an ecosystem full of different species of plants, trees, animals, and even fungus. A common fungus found in the forest is the peach mushroom. This parasitic mushroom grows on the north side of spruce trees, which make up almost 60% of the forest, which in turn means a whole lot of fungus too. Outside the forests, we have the temperate plains. The green plains of the Northeast are one of the largest grasslands in America. And on these plains, we can find a variety of different animals existing off of one another to survive in the grasslands of America. The gray mountain fox, This is one of the most aggressive species of fox and are only found in North America. The mountain fox can grow up to 150 pounds and feed on birds and small mammals. The mountain fox usually travels alone. Because of their keen eyesight, the mountain fox can spot small prey through the tall grass plains. Looking back at my travels to the Northeast, I learned that there is a delicate balance between man and nature, and exactly how harmonious this relationship is will determine our fate. So take care of the forest, the water, and all the animals that inhabit our earth.